Hey everyone, this is Xiao, the CEO of Dicolor USA. This is a branch of Dicolor LED. Today we are at ISE 2025 and I'm presenting this product to you. This is our US model. The pitch size is 2.6 and the column is huge. It is 1.9 millimeter diameter, and if you look at the surface of the curve, it is very smooth. It's very smooth, and this is one of the feature I want to introduce to you all is the energy efficiency. If you touch the surface of the column, you barely feel the warmth from the LED. That is how amazing it is. And the column is 5.5 meters high, and the shape is convex. And similarly, we built the inner circle of the LED. That is the same model. It is 2.6 millimeter pitch size as well, and it is a convex shape. So this model, it can shape in any way you want it to be. And the most amazing part is that the panel can work with our other models as well. This is our US model, and it can work with the AF model. It also can work with our UE model and all the other models as well. So whatever design, creative design you want your stage to have, try this one. It's going to blow your mind. Thank you. Our website, please visit our website, dicolorled.com, dicolorled.com, dicolorled.com. Thank you.